Hey Con, just a quick follow-up to your question here, which is about this issue displaying security approval rules by default, and then versus this other one, which is refining the relationship of the rules. Just some quick context. I'll jump over to this project. When you're adding a vulnerability check or license check, you have to add it like this manually, license check. So the user would maybe read documentation and then they would type in the exact check here, the name of it, and then add an approval rule, and then it's visible on the UI. So this issue about displaying security approval rules, the goal is just to display those checks by default without having to go through the motion that I just did. So that's what this one is about. And then the other design here is, for example, if license scanning isn't even configured, it still displays in the approval group, but we're just communicating to the user that they need to do this prerequisite. Okay, so then refine the relationship between approval settings and rules. So going back here, I think this issue could be looked at a little bit closer, and I'll double check with Camellia, but it is separating. There are overrides here that can override the license check, and this is just separating them so that these overrides here only pertain to custom rules, and the security rules are separate. So vulnerability check and license check are both separate. I think we need to do a little bit of engineering discovery around this though, because I don't think it's as simple as just a front-end fix. But the goal is that these security gate rules that we have here, like vulnerability check and license check, are decoupled from these other rules that you can do. For example, can override by the maintainer. These overrides shouldn't be available for these approval rules, is my understanding. But like I said, we'll double check with Camellia. Just wanted to make a quick video to show the difference though. I know it's a bit confusing.